Hey, this is Chris Dillon with QFM96, and I've got something personal to tell you. It was Christmas Day, 2008, when my car died. I had to hitch a ride to the station because it just wouldn't start. I was on air complaining about my car taking the day off despite the fact that I had to work, when one of the guys from Auto Inspection Service called me up. He was a regular listener that I talked to from time to time, and he accurately predicted the problem and told me to come out and they'd take care of me. So, December 26th, I drove out to Ostrander, and they took great care of my car and saved me about $800. Needless to say, I've been a fan ever since.
Hi there. Did you know that approximately 70% of all auto repair customers are women? They are. And the single most important thing that all customers consider is, am I getting an honest repair at a fair price? In our economy today, we're all watching our pennies. And it is important that we're getting fair treatment. It all comes down to whom you're dealing with. At Automotive Inspection Service, you're dealing with a family-owned and operated business. This means their livelihood depends on your satisfaction. You're not just another number with an inflated bill that most regional and national chains rely on. You're treated like family.
Go Bucks!
They make me feel more like family than like a customer. It's just real comfortable to come here.
They make me feel really comfortable. They've become more than just a repair shop to me. They've become like family. Gotten to know all the techs, and they make sure that all my vehicles stay on the road.
Like I've been hearing other people say, it's family. I mean, we've been coming to Jim for a long time. We trust Jim with, we have teenage drivers, and wouldn't trust anybody else to work on our cars.
Well, they make you feel, more comfortable because it's more friendly than a business, with when they talk to you, at least you're talking human talk, not technical. You can understand what they're saying anyway.
I'm very comfortable. As a woman, sometimes you can be intimidated by the process, and I don't feel that way at all with Jim and his team. I feel very comfortable and like I'm getting an honest, fair assessment of what's wrong with my vehicle, and they fix it right the first time.
In 1989, Jim Carpenter created AIS to provide pre-purchase inspections for potential car buyers. He soon expanded this business into service and repair. As his business grew from one employee to several employees, Jim expanded his services to become a one-stop repair facility. As Jim's children came of age, they came to work the family business. His daughter, Julie, is the office manager and service writer. His son, Joe, is the lead technician and a graduate of the University of Northwestern Ohio with a degree in automotive repair. You will find all the employees at AIS highly trained and motivated to provide you with the best service work you've ever experienced. They know that word of mouth is the best advertising, and that's why their business is growing each year in spite of the economy. Auto Inspection Service works on all models of automobiles. In short, anything on four wheels. And AIS makes it convenient for their customers. They can handle all of your automotive concerns in one location. Engine performance, engine exchange, transmission service and replacement, brakes, exhaust, suspension, glass, heating and air conditioning, electrical, and everything in between. Auto Inspection Service is a green shop that uses a variety of specialty equipment to make sure your automobile is running properly. AIS uses an engine diagnostic computer to identify problems with your vehicle. This equipment communicates with your vehicle to provide technicians with valuable information in the form of service codes and data from the engine control module, body control module, anti-lock brake module, and other systems. An emissions tester is used to identify vapor leaks in the fuel system. The fuel system is or should be a closed system and should meet with EPA requirements in order for it to be safe for the environment. The air conditioning machine is used for recovering Freon from the system before replacing parts. After repairs, this machine is also used to vacuum the system of any air and restore the Freon to the manufacturer's specifications. The coolant exchange machine is used to extract the coolant and replace it with new coolant when making repairs or servicing the system. This service will add life to your engine components. The tire machine is used to dismount the tire and replace it with a new one. This particular machine also protects aluminum rims from scratching and damage during the process. The tire balance machine is used to balance tires and prolong the life of your tires. If the tires are not balanced properly, you'll experience a vibration that will damage the tires and suspension over time. AIS is one of just a few service facilities that offers an exhaust pipe bender that is used to create custom exhaust pipes rather than offering manufactured exhaust at an inflated price. The exhaust pipes created by AIS are made from heavy-gauged aluminized pipe, which are welded together when installed. AIS also offers welding. Their welding cart is capable of MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding. The plasma cutter is used to cut steel up to 1/4 inch thick. The welding cart is also used to weld exhaust systems and to fabricate and repair broken equipment. As you can see, Auto Inspection Service offers every repair service you will ever need. A one-stop shop at a fair and reasonable fee.
I just never think about going anywhere else. They just take care. We know we bring it here. They'll check it out. They'll call us, tell us what's going on with it, and take care of it for us.
Well, because his price is right, and you can trust him.
I wouldn't go anywhere else.
I can call Jim any time of day. On the side of the road. I called him this week because the car alarm was going off. I didn't know how to turn it off.
They do everything you expect them to do. They, competitively priced, good service. They go out of their way. They offer services other, dealerships or, auto mechanics don't offer in this area.
Any man that called my car by name always wins my heart.
This is paradise. They're taking good care of the car, so you don't have to worry about a thing. You just sit back here and enjoy it. You're out in nature. If you listen with all your might, you can hear total silence. Nowhere do you hear a sound. You got the trees, you got the shade, you can sit out here and read, you can take a nap. It's great. I wish my car got broken more often.
If you want the comfort of knowing your auto is in good hands and that you're getting a fair price, Auto Inspection Service is the place for you. Call them today.